Hello there. This is Rajesh from the GNU Linux Users Group NIT Durgapur. In this video, we will be learning about some basic Linux commands which come in very handy. So, let's dive in. This is the Ubuntu terminal, and now we'll know about the df command. The df command, short for disk free, is used to display information related to file systems about total space and available space. If I type df and hit enter, now I get to know about file system, the memory in kilobyte format, used memory, available memory, used percentage, and mounted on drive. These are very huge numbers and you cannot make sense so easily. So that is why we have options. Options such as -h. Now if I hit enter, these all memory sizes have now become in megabytes and gigabytes, which are much more understandable. This -h is also known as human readable option. That's all for df command. Now we'll know about the du command. The du command, short for disk usage, is used to estimate file space usage. The du command can be used to track the files and directories which are consuming excessive amount of space on hard disk drive. The syntax being du, then folder name. I have a folder named as temp, so I hit enter after writing du space temp. Now this shows me the memory occupied by each of these files. Now since I cannot understand these numbers, I will put an option. I'll write du space -h space my file name, which is temp. Now I get to know the memory occupied by these files in megabytes or kilobytes. As you can see, we entered -h. There are many other options like -s. If I hit du -h -s temp, now I'll get to know about the summary of this folder. This implies that temp folder occupies 13 megabytes of space. Now I can also use the option as -c, du -h -c temp. Now this gives me a total at the last line. That's it for du command. Now we'll know about the free command. While using Linux, there might come a situation when you're willing to install a new application and you wish to know about the free memory available on your system. Here is when the free command comes to rescue. The free command displays the total amount of free space available along with the amount of memory used and swap memory in the system. It also displays buffers used by the kernel. So let us type free and hit enter. We are shown the total memory, used memory, free memory, shared memory, buffered or cached memory, and available memory. But these numbers are in kilobytes and they don't make sense so easily. That is why we will use the -h option as we've seen earlier. So let me type free -h. Now you can see the total used, free, shared, all these memories are shown in terms of megabytes and gigabytes. This was all for the du, df and free commands. Hope you liked it.